So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about this wonderful question 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x equal to 3 raised to x, right? And first of all, if you use the method here, hit and trial method, but by hit and trial method you won't get a correct answer, right? Because if answer is an integer, then you can apply that method here, right? Hit and trial method. But whenever answer is not an integer, then you can't apply this method here, right? So we are going to solve this question step by step. So pay attention throughout the video, and I will solve this question by two methods, right? Both the method, and you can apply whichever method you like. So pay attention, right? So first of all, we will see what is the question. 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x equal to 3 raised to x. First of all, if I talk about first method, right? What we are going to do in first method, that here I have 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x, which means 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x, it will become 2 raised to x, right, which is equal to 3 raised to x. Now in order to solve from this part, you must have knowledge about properties of exponents. If I talk about first property, that if I have a raised to m into a raised to n, then answer will be a raised to m plus n. And there is one another property, that a raised to m into b raised to m, answer will be ab raised to m, right? This both look similar, but there is a very big difference between both of this property, which in first property base is same but power is different, then we will directly add the power and base remain same. In another case the base is different but power is same, so we directly multiply the base and we will keep power as it is, so ab raised to m. So if you talk about this equation, if you talk about this part, here I have 2 into 2 raised to x, and here I can also add power 1, right? So here if you see, first property will apply here, base is same and power is different. So according to this property, base remains same and power will get added. So it will become 2 raised to x plus 1, which will be equal to 3 raised to x, right? Now from this part, how do we solve? Very simple. We can obviously apply logarithm both the side, right? This is very easy method. Ln 2 raised to x plus 1 and ln 3 raised to x. So x plus 1 will come here, which will become coefficient, x plus 1 into ln 2. Same way, x will come here, it will become x into ln 3, right? So now if I multiply both of these part, then x ln 2 plus ln 2, which will be equal to x ln 3, right? Now if I bring x ln 2 right hand side, then what will happen? Ln 2 equal to x ln 3 minus x ln 2. Now what we'll do, x is common in both this part, so ln 2 as it is, x will common, and what will remain? Ln 3 minus ln 2, right? So what will the answer of x? Ln 2 divided by ln 3 minus ln 2. This will be answer of x, but pay attention here. This is real answer, right? This answer is real. But what about complex part, right? We can also get this answer in complex form also. But before solving complex part, we will apply one another method by which we can get this real answer, right? So if I talk about that method, second method, right? So what we are going to do in that method? Well, first of all, again, question will remain same, 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x, which is equal to 3 raised to x. So it will become 2 into 2 raised to x equal to 3 raised to x, right? So now what we will do, I will not combine this power, right? I will not apply this property here. I will apply another method. If I divide both the side by 2 raised to x, right? So it will become 3 raised to x divided by 2 raised to x. In this property, what will be this property? If I have a raised to m divided by b raised to m, then I can write it as a by b raised to m, right? If base is different, power is same, then I can write the common power for both of these number, right? So according to this property, this 3 by 2 raised to x equal to 2, right? Now what will happen? Again, I will apply both the side logarithm, right? Through which we can easily get the answer of x. So if I apply logarithm both the side, then x will come here, coefficient x into ln 3 by 2, which is equal to ln 2. Agree? So what will the answer of x? Ln 2 divided by ln 3 by 2. And you can also write this as, for example, if I have ln a by b, then I can also write this as ln a minus ln b, right? So I will apply same property here, x equal to ln 2 divided by ln 3 minus ln 2, right? You got it? So this is another method through which we can get real answer. But let me talk about now complex part, right? If I want complex answer in complex form, then how do we solve? See, here I have 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x equal to 3 raised to x, right? Now, if I take this form, right, which means 3 by 2 raised to x equal to 2. I have taken directly this form, right? We don't want to waste time. That's why I have taken directly this form, right? So 3 by 2 raised to x equal to 2. Now, if I want answer in complex form, then I have to convert this whole equation into complex form. How do we do that? I'm sure if you have seen my previous video, then you will know the answer. Here I have 2, I can also write 2 into 1, right? So 3 by 2 raised to x as it is, and I can write 1 as e raised to 2 pi n iota in complex form, right? I have explained many times why I have written 1 equal to e raised to 2 pi n iota, and if I talk about it in simple form, then this is real, this is imaginary axis, here I have 1, right? So this will become is r modulus, right? And what will be theta? It will be 0, again 2 pi, again 4 pi, so it will be a multiple of 2 pi, right? And I can represent this whole form as r into e raised to iota theta. So r is 1 here, e as it is, iota as it is, and theta is 2 pi n in general form, right? So that's why I have written 1 equal to e raised to 2 pi n iota, right? I have explained it in simple form. So now, again I will apply logarithm both the side, right? So ln, if I apply ln here, it will become x into ln 3 by 2, obviously, right? And if I apply ln here, then it will become ln ab. So I can write ln a plus ln b, which means ln 2 plus ln e raised to 2 pi n iota. But 2 pi n iota will come here, and value of ln e is equal to 1, right? So what is the answer of x? ln 2 divided by, it will become in the denominator, so I can write ln 3 by 2 as ln 3 minus ln 2. Same way here, 2 pi n ln 3 minus ln 2 into iota, right? So this is our complex answer, and this is in, the answer will be in infinite times. Why? Because here I have n, and here value of n is integer, right? Belongs to z. You must know about that. So I can put different value of n, I will get different answer for x, right? So as I said, this is very conceptual question. You must know about this basic property, right, in order to solve any kind of this exponential or logarithmic question, right? So if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.